Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Silverado door panel. First, gather your tools like a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your window is fully rolled down for easier access to the panel's edges. It's also a good idea to disconnect your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues while you work. Next, you'll need to find and remove the hidden screws. Typically, there are a few screws located in the armrest and behind the door handle. Once those are out, gently pry up the window switch panel using your trim tool. Disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the switch panel before setting it aside safely. Now, with the screws removed, use your trim removal tool to carefully release the retaining clips around the perimeter of the door panel. Work your way around the edges, gently prying until all clips are free. Once the clips are detached, lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door frame. Remember to disconnect any remaining cables or wires. Before reinstalling, take a moment to inspect all the clips on the back of the panel. Replace any that are broken or missing. When you're ready, reconnect all electrical components and cables. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, ensuring the top edge seats properly. Then, firmly press the panel into place to engage all the retaining clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.